Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of technology and learn step by step how to bring your photos and avatars to life. Explore the endless possibilities of digital storytelling as we show you how to breathe life into your images and avatars through the power of speech. Discover the secrets behind creating dynamic and engaging visual content that will captivate your audience and leave a lasting impression. You can make any photo say anything you want with this tool, which is currently in beta and free to use.
Now, the first site we are going to look at is called Hedra AI. To begin, just type and search Hedra AI on Google and select the first option. Next, select on the Try Beta tab. Then click on the Sign In tab on the left-hand side. You will be required to create an account using your Google account or create an account using your email. In order to create a talking picture, you can generate your audio by typing your script on the Script tab or importing your audio. Then select a voice among the different AI voices that best suits you.
Our distrust is very expensive. Ideas are the beginning points of all.
Next, drag or upload your photo using the Upload button. Lastly, click on the Generate Video to start generating your video.
With the help of this tool, users can seamlessly and realistically sounds natural.
Here's the download of the talking photo, plus many more downloads I have generated.
With the help of this tool, users can seamlessly and realistically convert text to audio that sounds natural. With the help of this tool, users can seamlessly and realistically convert text to audio that sounds natural.
With the help of this tool, users can seamlessly and realistically convert text to audio that sounds natural.
Mithilfe dieses Tools können Benutzer Text nahtlos und realistisch in Audio umwandeln, das natürlich klingt.
Another way to generate a talking image or avatar is by typing and describing the character that you want to generate in the Prompt tab. Then click on the Create icon to generate an image. You can click on the Randomize Seed button to change your image while using the same prompt. Remember to choose and select the voice of the avatar created on the left-hand side. Lastly, click on the Generate Video tab. Finally, click on Download.
With the help of this tool, users can seamlessly and realistically convert text to audio that sounds natural.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Stay tuned for future uploads and hit the notification bell to never miss an update. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in the next video.